All right, guys, for all of you that want to know the secret to on-site property manager, you want that veil lifted to what they do and how they do things, I'll let you know right now. I recently overheard at a particular resort in our market that when the on-site property management company knows a property is being sold, they very, very quickly fill that property full of rentals in order to keep that property on the on-site property management company. So let's just back up and unpack that a little bit. When an on-site property manager at a well-known and well-established resort here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, when they find out that the property's up for sale and it's changing owners, they suddenly book that unit full of rentals because they want to show to that new owner that they can book that unit, keep it booked up. Now, previous to this, I don't believe the unit was rented very, very well. But right there at the change of ownership, that's when they start supplying all of those rentals. And then they go to the new owner and go, well, we've got it all booked up, and I'm just kind of improvising here. I'm guessing at this part. I'm assuming they contact the new owner and go, we put all kinds of bookings, because they know that 90 days post closing, all those vacation rentals have to be honored on the books. So they're able to show the new buyer, they're able to show them, hey, we got a ton of rentals on the books. Why don't you stay with us? And they paint a pretty good case to stay with them. That's what I learned talking to another agent who works closely with the on-site property management at a particular resort right here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. So if you're selling or buying an oceanfront condo, if you're buying an oceanfront condo, then you want to watch out for on-site property managers that suddenly fill the calendar full of rentals when previously it wasn't rented. You want to request the last 12 months worth of rentals for that unit so you can see how it was actually rented over the last 12 months to know if that property manager is actually doing a good job and to know if you really want to use them. That's my advice.